Shane, I've got a bank account which is your joint account, and I'm looking at it in particular at the 2nd of April of 2014, where there's £58 received into it, but in effect, if I look on the other page, it's got a zero balance in April. Now, you left in May.
Yes.
And as far as I can see, it has a zero balance in it. In other words, there's no money that's gone into that account after April. So when you say, which is effectively your case, that Shane ought to take whatever money is owed out of whatever's in the joint pot, there's nothing in the joint pot. Nothing from nothing is...
Zero.
Good! Thank you. Bearing in mind the joint account was at a zero balance, that money remains outstanding. So to that extent, Shane is entitled to whatever money he's owed for the utilities, for half the rent, and for the value of the internet, which no doubt the two of you use together for curious purposes. Now, in respect of your deposit, I'm told by Shane that somebody else has moved into the property. So to that extent, you're entitled to that deposit back. Now, Shane, you're entitled to the expenses that Steve hasn't paid, which amounts in total, I find, to £758.50. But Steve, you're entitled to your deposit back, which is £375. Therefore, Shane, this court awards you £383.50. And I hope you describe yourself more realistically in the future. Best of luck to you both.
Thank you, Judge.
Shane was awarded £383.50 of his claim, after the judge took off the amount that Steve was owed for his counterclaim.